Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler with the OBX and Wave Report, providing this video for you from Rodanthe, as we've got 2 to 5 foot waves rolling in off the North Atlantic Ocean. Nice southwesterly breeze, warm temperatures in the 70s. Got 3 surfers in the water here, and some fun waves to be had at this location as we watch a set roll in up and down the Outer Banks. Clean and fun conditions. Up north it's a little bit smaller, a little bit softer, a little bit cleaner. A little bit further to the south we've got some heavier waves. Primary swell coming in from the south and yeah, pretty close to the south and east. Temperature 44 degrees. Oregon Inlet, 103 degrees south. 6 foot and 8 seconds. Fun rides we had up and down the Outer Banks today. And just a beautiful day here offshore. We've got that convection that we've been noticing out in the Gulf Stream about 30, 40, 50 miles out. We've got the cold water coming in from the Labrador to the north and hugging the shoreline, and the Gulf Stream just offshore about 30, 40 miles. Very hot, much warmer than normal, about 80 degrees right out there. Ocean water temperatures just offshore here about 63 degrees, so a big contrast between the hot and cold. It is worth noting that that warm bend of the Gulf Stream might provide some energy for tropical cyclone development as we get into hurricane season with all that extra hot water there. And in addition to that, La Nina ongoing in the Pacific for this summer, tamping down the wind shear, which means we're more likely to have hurricane formation because there will be a lot of wind shear cut down versus storms. Alright, so let's look at some of the data provided by the National Surveys, buoy data, wave models, and the Wave Watch 3 model particularly, as well as spot observations from yours truly up and down the Outer Banks here. At next head, we got 2 to 4 foot and clean conditions with east-southeast swell at 4.8 foot in 8 seconds. Air temperatures 70 degrees Fahrenheit, ocean water temperature 60. Got some west winds blowing about 14 miles per hour. We got a high tide today in the Outer Banks at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Some nice turns here. And a low tide this evening between 8 and 9 p.m. At Rodanthe here, we got 3 to 5 foot waves. And pretty clean conditions, as you can see. Nice set rolls in on the outside there. East-southeast swell at 4.4 foot and 8 seconds. Got westerly winds blowing at about 12 miles per hour. So beautiful. Air temperatures here 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 64. And down in Buxton, 3 to 5 foot and clean. With south-southeast winds blowing. With westerly winds blowing at 12 miles per hour. We got south-southeast swell 5.1 foot and 8 seconds. Air temperature 74 degrees. Ocean water temperatures 60. For today, good surf day today, 2 to 5 foot waves depending on your location. Clean conditions, westerly winds 13 to 15 miles per hour. Shift into the east-northeast later in the afternoon, evening time. That shift is expected to occur around 4, 5, 6 p.m. depending on your location. Earlier to the north, later to the south. Highs today in the low to middle 70s. Chance of shower thunderstorm in the afternoon. We've got a little bit of a thunderstorm to our west and southwest. You can see the high clouds from that system kind of spreading over the Outer Banks, but no thunderstorm activity nearby as of yet. On Thursday for tomorrow, we got 2 to 4 foot waves and shock conditions. As the wind shift out of the north-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. High temperatures for Thursday around 70 degrees. Clouds east southeast winds 3 to 10 miles per hour, gradually increasing, but of course relatively light. Chance of rain on Saturday, high in the low 70s. Worth noting that Saturday, when we say choppy later, it probably won't be too choppy. We'll just get a little chopped up, a little texture. And then on Sunday, 2 to 4 foot and clean with some southwesterly winds blowing 5 to 12 miles per hour. Chance of rain, highs in the lower 70s. All right, so thank you for joining me for this May the 15th session of the OBX wave report. A beautiful day here in the Outer Banks. Surf session number 109 for me here in Red Ante. Just finished 108 and may head down south and get another one after this. Shall see how we feel. Waves are kind of pumping here in Red Ante, so hope to get like a good 5 to 10 here and then maybe get another vacation on this beautiful Wednesday. Day off for me. A little surf safari, a little surf expedition in the Outer Banks. So fun. And conditions are really starting to get nice, guys. We have had a wonderful wintertime waves, and those good waves have extended into the springtime. Surprisingly, for me, this is pretty beefy stuff, guys. This is good. Alright, so thank you for joining me once again, and as I typically do, I like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help protect your coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning, those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification. The primary solution to the climate crisis is the rapid deployment of clean energy. Clean energy being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. Those systems are available for mass production now. We need to get at it. It's good for the economy, good for the environment, good for jobs. So many goods can come of that. So let's just do it. And also, as I've been talking about as well, if you are in need of a surf lesson, please stop by Real Water Sports. With your lessons today, we got expert team of coaches, including myself, led by the legendary Jeff Barber, one of the best surfers in the Outer Banks. Certainly an amazing coach with wealth of knowledge and experience, and also just a really great guy. Fun to go surfing with, fun to learn from. I can tell you guys that from experience. So come by, check out Real. And if you need some surf equipment, we got all sorts of great boards in the board loft. Trip Foreman, one of the founders of Real Water Sports, has been working with Jeff Barley to provide some amazing surfboard reviews under the glass. Check it out. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me once again. And I will be back with you shortly.